Hello everyone! Today we'll be going over to a location that I wanted to go for a long time, but I didn't really get the chance to go there. It's called Consonno, which should be a good city near Lecco, and I brought over my drone, so we will be able to, hopefully, because I don't know if I can fly the drone there. From what I saw online and from what I saw on the DJI website, I should be able to fly there. It is also a private location. I didn't really know the story. I saw a video online explaining why it was abandoned. I saw it a couple of times online on Instagram, and it kind of got my attention. But hopefully, it's not that far from my house. It's like 50 kilometers. Oh, I did 8,000 kilometers on my motorcycle. Nice. Yeah, because you know, the idea of riding my motorcycle is to be chill, to relax, to, you know, be careful. I always pay attention to everything in my surroundings, because here in Italy, as you've probably seen from my videos, people don't really know how to ride properly or to drive properly. I mean, there are so many things that people could do differently, and it would be a lot safer for us motorcyclists as well. To be honest, I don't really want to bore you with, you know, with the whole ride there, because maybe it might take a couple of, I would say 20 minutes or more, but yeah. I don't want to overtake, but sometimes, you know, I don't like stopping behind cars. It's getting quite creepy here. You know, it's the colors and everything. It's similar to how the place in the Consonno should be. Yeah, from what I remember, because I saw a video online a couple of hours ago, basically this place should have been a casino. You know, talking about going to Lugano, I went here to gamble my money away. No, because basically it's abandoned. It's totally abandoned. Basically, this place should have been a casino. It was built like in the 1960s, if I remember correctly. And a lot of people were, you know, expelled from this place, because this person, I don't really remember the name, this Italian guy, bought the place for like 22 million liras, which is basically 300 and something thousand years from nowadays, and he wanted to create this casino, and but he was quite of an asshole, and the comune of Consonno didn't really, you know, have him in their graces. And because of this, when an avalanche, or I don't remember what happened, something fell on the street, which blocked the street and ruined the street. The comune didn't really, the town hall basically, it's called here in Italy, it's called town hall. Yeah, how the fuck can I ride at 40 kilometers an hour? I don't understand. It's basically impossible, man. Anyways, what I was saying, basically, yeah. When going at the town hall here in Italy, town hall it's called comune, and the comune didn't really want to help him. So after a couple of months that nobody was going there, people started not liking him as well, and not liking the city where it was built. And because of this, people basically give up on him, and this poor man basically lost a lot of money, built something that nobody wanted, and built something that nobody used at the end. So yeah, that's quite a sad story, but No, you know, that's how life is. And he died like at 94 years old. I hope I don't bore you going this slow, but I don't know the place I should, you know. Here it says I should be going 40, which is basically impossible. 40 is like, I don't remember, if 60 miles an hour, it's 100 kilometers an hour. Half of that is 30, which is 50. It's like going 25 miles an hour. You know, I'm trying to behave and not go fast. You know, I'm trying, but to be honest, I quite like this place. You know, going slow, taking it easy, enjoying. Oh, what a beautiful house there. It's like being a true YouTuber. You know, going exploring. Hopefully I can get my bike up there. I haven't really looked it up. I haven't really looked up how to get there. I only looked if I could fly my drone there. But Santa Maria Ho. Oh, that's a ho, man. Hopefully I won't get demonetized. Anyways, it doesn't matter because I'm not monetized. Anyways, doesn't matter. Yeah, and I was making fun of YouTube for, you know, you cannot say curse words now. You know, sometimes you always need to predict stuff. For example, now, he didn't use his turn signals. He just went, you know, did a 360 inside a roundabout. No intentions of signaling his intentions or showing us what he wanted, what he really wanted to do. It's quite cold here. I should have brought my and you might say, why are you riding with your short sleeves on? I know it's a stupid decision, but yeah, it's a stupid decision. I tried buying some jackets, some protective gear. I have a lot of how can I say, jackets, motorcycle jackets, but they are kind of, you know, bulky, and they are made for not summer. They are basically for more of a winter, autumn and winter rides. I'm not saying this is the best choice, but you know, because if I fall, hopefully I won't. Yeah, things might get really, really ugly for me as well. But this is quite a nice road, to be honest. Immersed in the green, which is kind of creepy. Oh, look at that. Okay, this is nice. This is really, really nice. Really weird. This is really, really weird. Immersed in the forest, where the Blair Witch catches you and kills you. Okay, this is really, really nice, but also kind of creepy. Like, imagine going here at night. There is no lights on your motorcycle. Yeah. It's creepy. I like it. Nice. I don't want to get into anyone's private property, to be honest, but no, I wouldn't like living here. It's creepy. It's creepy. And also kind of dirty. That's a dirty road. I need to be careful. That's creepy. Okay, man, this is really creepy. Not gonna lie. Porca puttana. Holy fuck, man. That's creepy. That kind of scared me. Okay, that's creepy. That's fucking creepy, man. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. And I'm going towards there. There's barbed wire. Why would you use barbed wire here? Oh. Fuck. Okay. I think this is the best place for a junkie, man. Yeah, basically, yeah.